Hey everyone, so in today's video we're going to be reviewing some chest protectors that I got for my kids. They have helmets and that's usually fine, but I'd rather have some chest protectors. We ride some trails sometimes and I don't want any, branches or anything like that to hit them. So I got these off Amazon. They're from a company called StarNightMT, and I got two different kinds. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up. These just came in like this in a box together, but they're just kind of like taped up around some kind of bag. So let's open this up and see what we're working with. Comes in a big Ziploc. There is the company, the brand. It's called StarNightMT, and these are basically just, they're called kids protectors, elbow and chest. They're basically chest protectors, but they're called kids body armor. And it's meant for little kids riding on four-wheelers. You don't want them to get hurt or anything like that. So it's good to have these kind of things. So one's like a little bit more red than black, and the other one's black with a little bit of red. So that's what I chose to get. And they look really nice. They come with Velcro and stuff like that. We're gonna set them up and see how they really look. Yeah, they have elbow pads and knee pads and shin guards, which is nice. These go on their knees, and they protect their shins as well. And then these protect their forearms and their elbows. So yeah, this is kind of cool. I'm gonna get my kids out here in a second to try these things on, and then they're gonna ride a little bit. All right, so I got you guys some chest protectors. This one's Kaylee's, so put this on. And Michael, this one's for you. So go ahead and put that on.
Bread.
Oh yeah?
Like, you put it on like this.
Maybe, I don't know. There you go.
Like, you have to put it on
Yeah, some of them go on your arms and some of them go on your knees. You'll see.
I don't know what to do.
You need help?
I need help.
All right, hang on a second. Oh, you gotta take this. Slide your foot through there.
It's not big enough for me.
Hang on.
It's what?
And then you take this Velcro down here and you wrap it around like that. You can get that one on. Alright, let's see. Your arms up. Actually, Michael, we're gonna swap. Because this one's a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
So, look. Sorry, Luke. Okay, go, Caleb.
It's purple. That's red on it too. It's red.
All right, so the key differences is the more black one on the right here is a lot smaller. It's made for like smaller kids. The one on the left is a little bit bigger. You guys both turn around real quick. You see how the one on the back has a longer back too, or the one on the left has a longer back. You can see that, and they have longer elbow and knee pads. So I would say this is more for like the 8 to 12-year-old kids, and this one's more for like the, I don't know, 4 to 7-year-old kids. So I'll put links in the descriptions, and I'll make note of which one's which based on the size, like small, large type deal, and you guys can make a decision based off that. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put these kids in the side by sides, let them ride around for a little bit. Okay. How's it feel to wear those?
Great.
Too tight? Okay.
No,
Well, take off the arm parts.
This is almost up to me fun.
Take off the arm parts, baby. You can just leave them on the ground. That's fine.
First, I'm taking off the skirt because that hurts more. Can't reach this one because. Can I take off the knee thing?
Yeah, take off the knee things too.
Okay. But then it will hurt if we crash into Mom's band gown. I can literally rest my arms in here. I can rest my arms in this.
Alright, so for now on, when you guys ride these things, you gotta wear those chest protectors. You don't have to wear the elbow pads and the knee pads, but you gotta wear those chest protectors, okay?
Okay.
So I want you to put them somewhere. You can put them in the garage, and then I'll put those in the bag. They seem to, well, they don't really like them, but you know, I don't care what they like or not. They're gonna wear them. The chest protectors specifically because you know that's important. The knee pads and elbow pads, I'm not really gonna make them wear those. Not around the yard, anyways. There's nothing really here for that, but chest protector definitely, just in case they fall off, or I don't want a stick or anything to ram them. I do like them. As far as I like the smaller one better because I have small kids, so it's just better for them fit wise. And like I said, I'll put a link in the description of each one. One will be like the black one will be like the red one, I guess. The red one was the bigger one. So anyways, hey, if you guys like watching these videos, you learned something, hit that like button, subscribe, really helps the channel out, and thanks for watching.